be sincere. Yesterday you were telling, must be sincere in our service. So they were discussing how devotee can be sincere. What does it mean, sincerity?
Sincerity means free from all desires except Lord. Because you get everything from the Lord. Your eye, nose, ear, everything. Feet, lungs, heart, from God. If you are sincere, then you must be grateful to the Lord. If you are ungrateful to the Lord, then you are not sincere. This is first thing. And next, if you are grateful to the Lord, then you work for the Lord by your eye, by your nose, by your ear, everything, hand, leg, then you are sincere. God give you the eye, but you are not seeing the beauties of the God, devotees of the God. You say the cinema and everything. You are not sincere. কি হলো এটা নেবে নি এই এখনই আসছে আমি 11টা বাজতে আসছে
ওকে বলছো সবল আপনাকে পার্কে নিয়ে যাবে
আমি নিয়ে যাবো বলতে পার্কে আমি বললাম তোমার তো ঠিক নেই তুমি যাবে আজকে একদিন কালকে যাবে না
কথা বেশি বেশি বলে এবার
আরে বলুক আমি তো শুনে নিলাম আমি তার বলি
ও আজকেই যাবে জম্মু আপনাকে নিয়ে যাবে পার্কে
ঠিক আছে আরে ওটা নয় সে কথা আমি জবাব দিতে জানি যাতে বলেছি আমি বললাম যে তোমার তো ঠিক না আজকে আসবে কালকে
এতদিন পরে এখানে যাওয়া আসলো ও যাওয়ার
আচ্ছা দেখ ওইসব তো একদিকে শুনবি একদিকে ফেলে ওইটা দিয়ে মাথা কামিয়ে লাগবে
না বলিয়ে আমি বুঝি কি বলছি আপনাকে
ওই understand what is sense? You have to serve the God by your hand because it is
He gave the hand.
From God. You get the right. You use your leg for the service of the Lord. And your ear you get from the Lord. So you are engaged to serve the Lord by your ear. How is it possible to serve the Lord by your ear? To listen to Shastra. Your leg, you perform parikrama, Rama parikrama or Tulasi parikrama, temple parikrama. Engage your leg. By this action, by this activity, you are put as sincere. But you are not do properly, you are not sincere. It is sincere.
Very simple.
Simple? It is simple, but not too easy. Because we are engaged with the worldly affairs. I engage my mind for my son, daughter, wife, husband. So I must engage my life for earning.
Going to the office.
Everything hand for their service, well, you are not sincere because those who give the hands, you are not serving. You serve others. It is easy, but not too easy. So, you be sincere. Sincere means, in a word, you are become a pure devotee. Who are devotees, they engage, they are all senses, everything to the service of the Lord. As for example, you read this, read Bhagavad,
Ambarish Maharaj.
Ambarish Maharaj, Savai Manah Krishna Padar Vindar Vachansi Vaikunta Gunanu Varnane Sutin Chakarat Pidasas Kathodai Mukunda Lingalaya Darsani Disho Tadvitta Gattas Parsanga Sangama Dhyanam Chatasvada Saroja Saudari Srimat Tulisyam Rasanam Tadarti Padu Hare Kshetra Padana Sarpani Siro Hisi Keso Padavi Bandani Kamancha Dasyen Tukamo Karmaya Dasattama Sulupa Jonasayarati. How is it possible to Ambarish? He is the ruler of the world. Because he is sincere. Sincerity means Vaishnava. Vaishnava is real sincere.
Somebody may work hands, eyes, ears, tongue like that, but still some other desire may be. They're not sincere.
Huh?
They're not sincere.
No? You can prove it that they are sincere. If you get this indriya, senses from the God, and you are not what for the God, you are sincere. Somebody sent you to do this work, but you are not doing. You are sincere.
No, not sincere.
So, those who are not serve God, they are not sincere. If you are sincere, you must serve God in all details, not by mouth. I discuss regarding God, regarding Bhakta, but my leg is to other place. My hand is put for other. My hand is cooking for my own enjoyment. So in Gita, Jaggosistya sina santu muchyate sarvapini visai bhunjate te tavam papam je pachanti atmakarunat. You are cooking for your own satisfaction, for your relative satisfaction, or for the satisfaction of the Lord. If you are cooking for the satisfaction of the Lord, then you cooking according to the desire of the Lord, who is except the Lord. So then you have to cook. क्या cooking क्या करो? According to Shastra, you are cooking for the Lord, but not according to his desire, according to his face. So then you are sincere.
Not really. I'm cooking for the Lord so I can enjoy.
That you exploit God because He sent you to serve Him. But in the meantime, you enjoy yourselves. If any director of company send you to India to do this work, and you came India and you work for your own benefit, you are sincere.
No, I'm not sincere.
So, same. You are sent by God to serve in this world, 14 world. You may man, you may God, demigod and anything. All are served for God. Their main duty is service. God is so kind. He accepts. You can take anything. You can do anything. But one day, within 15 days, minimum one day, you sacrifice for me.
Ekadashi.
Ekadashi is Ekadashi. But he gives you discount. If you perform the Ekadashi, then you relieve from the sin of Ekadash Indriya. But if you take other things except specified by the Lord, then you are eight paths. So God is so kind. But yet we are ungrateful. Because you are not sincere. Understand sincerity?
We have to be grateful and we have to work for the Lord with all our senses and mind, everything. This is recipe.
And God is so kind. He only 2 days in a month you suffer the Lord. Other days you can do another work. Yet you are not postponed.
Still not doing.
You are grateful.
No.
You are sincere.
No.
That is the symptom of sincerity. Your activity proves you are sincere. No.
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 To some extent you are sincere. Kartam is there. Fully sincere.
So today's Ekadashi. Rama Ekadashi.
Rama.
You know, regarding Rama Ekadashi. Kartik Krishna Ekadashi is famous in the name of Rama Ekadashi. This Ekadashi is so called you can finish all sins if you perform Ekadashi. You are relieved from all sins. In ancient time, there was a king named Muchukunda. His friend Indra कुबेर, जौम, विभीषण, ये सब इनका एक डॉटर his wife gave birth to daughter. His name was Chandra Bhaga because in the name of the famous Chandrabhaga, the name is daughter Chandra. Another king, Chandrasen, the son of Chandrasen, named Sohan. They engaged and they performed their marriage. Once this Sohan came to his father-in-law's house. That time, this Ekadashi, on the Ekadashi, Rama Ekadashi, he stayed in his father-in-law's house. But his father-in-law is so strict, he never give order to the animals. He gave the animals fruit and everything.
No grains.
Banana tree and everything, but not to others. The Sohan, his son-in-law, is so weak he cannot perform fasting. Then Chandrabhaga, thinking that my father is strictly in his kingdom, nobody can take Panchasasya, rice, wheat, egg. And he preached by drum, beat and drum. Tomorrow is Ekadashi. You all are allowed not to take anything. And today he wants But what? Do Soman, he consulted with his wife Chandrabhaga what to do. Then Chandrabhaga told his husband, better to go to your own place, because my father is so strict, he cannot allow. And he thinks that I am part for Ekadashi. एक बोल दिया बेटा go to your house. He replied, no. I perform Ekadashi, must perform Ekadashi. But he fasting all the day, and night time he expired. Then his father-in-law hired the dead body by Chandan stick and everything. By the order of his father, she, Chandrabhaga, not and his body with his husband. Sahamat. After the sanskar of Shobhan, Chandrabhaga living with his father. On the other side, by the performing Rama Ekadashi, then Shobhan was the ruler of Mandaracham. Is the owner of that place. That place is far better than his father and father-in-law house. Large place. There are a good hall, the pillar of the hall by stout stone, gold, which dogs. White umbrella in his head, somebody's head, and kirit, and everything, necklace, kundal, everything, when he threw in it. Large, and the Gandharva and Apsara, they dancing and performing kirtan. Idhar, on the other side, that Mutukundapur Nivasi, one Brahmin named Soma Sarma, the performing Tirthayatra. Fortunate, he went there. And he thinks he is the son-in-law of Maharaja Mutukunda. See the Soma Sarma, stand not to sit his throne. And he respects Shiva Sarma. Ask his news, everything. After that, he like to know the news of his father-in-law's town and everything. But Soma Sarma, he narrates all these things. He questioned Rajan, oh king, I never seen such a good and such a beautiful city in this. Then he replied, by the performing Ramaya Ekadashi, I get this dance become in this place. Although I am not perform the Ramaya Ekadashi in sincerity, yet I compel to perform for my father-in-laws. Yet I did this. And I think this cities not permanent. Kindly, we inform the daughter of beautiful daughter of Muchukunda, named Chandrabhaga. He can agree. We think better. This is this. Even but he returned to Muchukunda and he told the news to Chandrabhaga. Chandrabhaga is very happy to know the facts. And he requests Brahma I think which you told me, that is life. Swapna. Dream. Dream, tired. That is not the life.
Reality.
Then Soma Sarma replied, "Oh, my daughter, I send your husband in my own oil, like fire. So I see is in everything. But he told me that his city is not
Permanent.
permanent. If you able, then you arrange for permanent of it. Refu, so much. Narrate, that's also to Chandra. Then Chandrabhaga request the Brahmin, Soma Sarma, oh, Viprosi, you take me with you and go to that place. I become a permanent by my good activity. Please escort me to that place. You told me, how can I connect with you? If anybody can connect, it is more good word than anyone. Listen this word, Soma Sarma, which Chandrabhaga, when that palace, which palace? Mujkansu. Vamadev, listen this story, and by the Veda mantra, he performed Abhishek Chandrabhaga. By the mantra and the Ekadashi blood, she become a very good body and is cheerful. In this condition, she meets his husband. Sohan, seeing his wife, he is very much delighted. Chandrabhaga, oh my pati, oh my husband, you listen to good news. From my 8 years, when I was 8 years, according to the Shastra, I performed Ekadashi Vrata. This result, your city is permanent. By my punya, I performed Ekadashi in the age, start in the age of 8 until now. So it is so powerful. By this power, your city is permanent. And then Sohan stay there with his wife. Hey Maharaj, listen, the Rama Ekadashi like Kamdhenu. You understand Kamdhenu?
Wish-fulfilling cow. a cow that fulfills all desire.
Yes, yes.
According to your desire, a Kamdhenu is so powerful. A Samrat is not equivalent. So Kartavidyarjuna, a famous king, he went to the ashram of Jamudavini in all time, night. But it is not possible for a rishi for their accommodation. But there is no other
No place.
suitable place in the jungle. It's compelled to stay there. But Damodari arranged everything for the king, proper arrangement for king, his soldiers, his horse, elephant, everything. He arranged for good diet for them. He was astonished. How is it possible by a rishi? I cannot do like this. The rishi did. He prayed. I ask one question to you. Yes. Rishi, how is it possible for you? Such a good arrangement for everybody. By the grace of mother. Who is mother? Kamodhenu. Give me the cow. Really? Jamudari told, pray, Mother, I am not offered you to the king, but I complain because I am a rishi. I have no soldier, not anything. If you like to stay here, you have to arrange for your food. Then, by his power, so many soldiers, they are ready to fight with him. Kartavidya debate. So, the youngest son of Jamadagni, named Parasuram, he killed the rulers for
21 generations.
Only one with his hand, a kind of axe that is called Parashura. So, Ram takes the Parashura. So, Kamdhenu is so powerful. But in Vrindavan, all cows are Kamdhenu. Not one. Krishna is the rich of so many Kamdhenus. And all the trees of Vrindavan, all the and the sand, a particular parts of sand.
Chintamani.
Chintamani. But they are not want anything without Krishna Bhakti. So Krishna is not required any other ornaments without flower, leaves. By this reason, Brahma not understand Krishna is Lord. Lord is Narayana. But true Krishna is Lord, Bhagavan, all are foolish people. I teach them this. They have stolen the calves and the cowboy and gave them in the cave of Sumir and closed the door by stone. They is the rest the foolish people. They call Krishna Bhagavan, God. Like this. After 1 year, he came. Cowboy playing their cards. Like before. Then he thinks Krishna knows the fact and taking them from the cave. But as his forehead he seen towards cave and in the cave they are sleeping. They are sleeping. How is it possible? They are sleeping, but all the cowboy and the calves are feeding by the Krishna. Then Krishna changed the cowboy and the calves from their own all are 4 hands Narayan. All are Narayan. Because they are Krishna. In Krishna, so many Narayan, so they are Narayan. How? Then and they no need to take of Bhubusi, Turidamvaraya, Gunjavatam Sopuri Vichala Sanamukaya, Vannasvaje Kavala Vetra Visana Venu, Lakshmasri Midupadi, Pusupangajaya. आप पशु को अंक पशु मीन्स नंबर अंगज is son. No need. My not must be. My pranam to bow down to you. No. I am the son of it.
Cowherd boy. Cowherd man.
Gopnath, Gopa, Nandaraj, Nanda Maharaj. I am not God. Your God is Narayana. Why you told me, God? You are not Narayana. You are original Narayana. Because so many Narayana produced you. I seen it by your grace. So you are the original Narayana. Original Narayana you are. Then Gunjavatam Sopariti Chalasanamukaya Vannasvani Avala-vetra Visanavin Lakshmasri Midupadi Pusupangajaya. Your Mukut, everything made of flower and leaves. Why? They they are more valuable than gold, stones, because in Vrindavan, part of dust is Chintamani. So valuable. Understand, by your grace, last of all, it is now the rule of they are who are dhanna, who are president, who are Braj, bow, the cow of the Braja, and the gopi of Braja. They are
Fortunate.
They are dhanna. Dhanna means
Auspicious.
dhanna means they are credible to pray there. They are because Krishna taking the milk of the cow whole of the by revealed himself calf and the gopis they serve Krishna. So they are free.
Your soldier has come, Maharaj.
Huh?
Your good soldier has come.